Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money, and in this video, I'll bring to you another great Amazon find. For those of you who have handguns or concealed carries, you need somewhere to store your gun when you're home, somewhere safe. So this is from the guys at OneTigris. This is a safety case for your handgun that comes with it's a biometric safety case for your handgun that comes with a fingerprint scanner, backup key, it's app compatible, and also has electronic combination as well. So I'll be unboxing this guy and showing you guys what comes in the box, and stay tuned for the video. Like I told you earlier, you have your fingerprint scanner over there. You have electronic codes, and also for your backup key as well. So opening the box, this is what you will find. Hold on, that's your instruction guide over here. And I'll set it up, more about the company. Let's see. About the company, product story, first open guide, full quick access mode, and application scene. In this section that we have here, we have USB-C cable and also security cable to attach the gun case to the stationary surface. Here you have your backup key, screws, and a pin for you to set up the device. This is the gun case from OneTigris. But the only way to unlock the case now to begin the setup is to use the backup key. So to reveal the battery compartment over there, you'll have to take these foams out. And that's your battery compartment over there. Here you'll need 4 AA batteries to power the safe. So for the initial setup, you'll be needing the SIM ejector tool. And that's the spot you have to hold for a couple of seconds for the registration to activate. You have to use the SIM card ejector tool to press the pin over there until it flashes red and green. Like I said earlier, this is a gun safe from the guys at OneTigris. It's a great stocking stuffer. It's a great gift idea. Or if you just want a gun safe to store away your handgun, you need a gun safe that comes with a biometric fingerprint sensor. It's app compatible. You also have the choice to use your personal password or backup key. Then check out the gun safe from OneTigris. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Stay tuned for more videos.